The 2026 FIFA World Cup is officially underway, and the first 4 matches have already delivered some surprising lessons, not just about soccer, but about money, investing, and momentum. Let's start with Mexico versus South Africa. Mexico opened the tournament with a solid 2-0 victory. No panic, no unnecessary risks, just disciplined execution. In finance, that's exactly how long-term wealth is built. You don't need a miracle stock every week, you need consistency. Mexico showed that steady performance beats reckless excitement. Next, South Korea versus Czechia. South Korea came from behind to win 2-1. That's a reminder that markets, businesses, and even personal finances don't move in a straight line. Sometimes you're down early. The winners are usually the people who stay focused and keep executing, instead of quitting when things get difficult. Then we had Canada versus Bosnia and Herzegovina. The match ended 1-1. Not every investment doubles overnight. Not every quarter breaks records. Sometimes a draw is still progress. Canada earned a valuable point, and in finance, protecting capital can be just as important as chasing gains. Finally, the United States versus Paraguay. The U.S. made a statement with a dominant 4-1 win. Folarin Balogun scored twice, and the team looked aggressive from the opening minutes. This is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Investors often call it being positioned for growth before everyone else notices the trend. So after just 4 World Cup matches, the scoreboard is already teaching us valuable financial lessons. Mexico showed consistency. South Korea showed resilience. Canada showed capital preservation. And the United States showed the power of growth and momentum. The World Cup is a football tournament, but it's also a masterclass in strategy, discipline, and decision-making. And those are the same skills that build winning portfolios. Subscribe for more World Cup updates with a finance mindset.